check. Let's let's check once. I think my sound is, yeah, okay. Chalo, hi everyone. Let's start our live stream. Done. Okay, so let's start. Hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone. So, anybody have any doubts? Let me share this mail with. So, let's see. Let's see. Hey, hi Amit, welcome to live stream. Hi Amit, welcome to live stream. So anybody have any doubts related to any of the question? So ask your doubts. Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? So anybody have any doubts? Anybody have just a minute? Let me see. I hope everything is okay and good to go. Okay, we have one more query. So my earlier doubt about project explanation, healthcare and finance, how to showcase this on CV. See, in the members post, if you go to the members post because you are a member, that's why I'm saying. In the members post, I have given the explanation what points to be added in for the project. I mean to say for the project points to be added on the project. ठीक है. If you go to the members post, ठीक, members have a separate post. If you can go and check in my YouTube profile, I mean to say, you will go to the members and members have a members post section only for members. ठीक है. So the thing is कि whatever details I have written in the post, you can add that. ठीक. And second thing, how to showcase on the CV, you can add those points. But I would suggest, when you have done the project, right, when you have done the project, you know what challenges you have faced. ठीक है. So do one thing, just write all the challenges and write all the solution for the challenges. How what challenges you have faced, how you have tackled to find the solution. ठीक है. Just copy all the data and paste it any of the AI agent. ठीक है. Paste it any of the AI agent, either it's chat gpt or either it's Gemini. Just go and paste it and say, in that prompt you write key as per the today's ATS, because see, each and every day they change the keywords and all related to the ATS. So the thing is, I am saying as per the latest ATS trend, just give me some points and keyword points from the challenges and solutions that I have tackled in the project. ठीक है. तो chat gpt or any of the AI agent will give you a keyword kind of paragraph, point paragraph, with respect to the trending, or I would say with respect to the latest ATS for data analytics. And also that ATS will cover all the healthcare and finance ATS keywords, right? Because let me tell you one thing, if I tell you all the keywords related to the project, that keywords can be outdated right now. So chat gpt and all those AI agents, they are highly trained related to the trending ATS. That's why I'm saying, when you have done the project from your side, what challenges you have faced and what kind of solution you have find out for the challenges, you just write it in a word file as well, word or note. Just write it, copy and paste it into a AI agent and tell as per today's ATS, matlab as per the trending ATS related to CV or resume for healthcare and finance project including data analytics domain, give me the point to point details related to my challenges and solution. In this way you will get all that keyword plus explanation for this, so you can just copy and paste it into your CV and resume. Okay, it will be good, I would say, because see, these AI agents are highly trained related to the ATS keywords and all. That's what I'm saying. So it is better to just give your data to them, and from there you will get the output, I would say. It would be really helpful. I would say that. And also let me tell you one thing, do the project from your own. The project that I have told you, just understand it, just see the project, understand it and do it on your own, because when you do it on your own you will get what challenges you have personally faced and how you find the solution for the challenges. That's what I'm saying. Okay, from there only you will get the challenges and the solution part, and then you can create your CV as it is. Because the thing is, when you will showcase this project in your CV resume, you will get asked question related to these things and you can answer it properly. That's what I'm saying. So that's the reason of doing the project on your own. Just see the project once, do the project from your own, and there you will get the challenges, and from your challenges you will get the solutions as well. Write that in a note, give that in any of the AI agent, and they will curate that details into a descriptive box, into a description with related to the trending ATS that will be used for any of the healthcare and finance domain. So that's the thing. uh, Anything else? That's the thing. And also let me tell you one thing, Amit, you can share your CV with me in my mail. I can just review it once. If there is any issue, I will just tell you to clear it out. Okay, that's the thing. You take my mail ID, you just make your CV, and just you send your CV in the mail. Just make it properly, take your time, no need to hurry, no need to hurry. Take your time, Amit, curate your CV properly, make it in a proper way, then send it to me. I will review it, and wherever if there is any mistake or if there is any modification to be made, I will help you out. Okay, and this is my mail ID. You take it and send it there. So take my mail ID, although my mail ID is there in my YouTube description box, but still, if you require, you can just comment it out in any of the video. I will give you the mail ID. Okay. Yeah, hi Charan, welcome to live stream. So, bro, CV means can we add project which are in the resume too? CV and resume is like, what is CV? CV is like related to your academic career, your each and everything. Resume is the same thing. Only difference about CV and resume is like what I've learned in my MBA, what my teacher told me. Resume is what? When you take a break between your last work ex to your new work ex, and then you decided to resume your work process, that's called resume. Although these are the same thing, there is no difference in that. And CV is what? Your past history, your education history, each and everything, project and each and everything is called CV. CV and resume hold the same thing, but resume is what? It's like that when there is a gap between your previous work ex and your new work ex, that you are searching for a job. When there is a gap between that, you decide to resume. That's what it is all about, resume. In my MBA they have told it, but I don't, it don't make sense, to be honest. CV and resume, it's almost the same. Okay, Amit. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, Charan. Bro, should I say what are the things asked in the interview? Should I say, bro, should I say what are the, I mean, like you want to share questions with us? Is it like that? आपको क्वेश्चन शेयर करना है क्या? तो आप चाहो तो मेल आईडी में शेयर कर सकते हो, इन माई मेल आईडी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन आते आते इसका एक लिमिटेशन रहता है, इसका जो लाइव चैट का एक वर्ड या टेक्स्ट लिमिटेशन रहता है, शायद 85 लेटर्स ही हो सकते हैं. आई मीन टू से व्हाट यू आर आस्किंग, कैन यू थोड़ा इलाबोरेट कर सकते हो क्या चरण? लाइक कैन यू इलाबोरेट इट? अच्छा अमित. ओके सर, या श्योर भाई, श्योर. अमित, याद से आप सेंड करना, मेरा मेल आईडी रख लो, और बनाने का सेंड करना अपना रेज्यूमे, मैं रिव्यू कर लूँगा. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. नो वरीज फॉर दैट. यू मेक इट एंड यू शेयर इट, दैट्स द थिंग. अच्छा शिवा, हाय शिवा, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. Hello bro, you check my PPT. Yeah, I have done the checking part. I have seen there are 41 total PPT slides there. I have seen that, and it is done properly. But somewhere, like if you go with, I think all the slides related to all the slides always keep the starting letter in uppercase. That's the only thing what I have seen is different. Apart from that, everything is okay and good to go. ठीक है. I mean to say till 13th number slide, not even 14. Wait. 14, हाँ, from the 17th slide. ठीक है, from slide 17 you check one thing, what are points you have done, like point 15. From point 15 you have written like this, 15 dot like this, right? So what it should be, it should be like this, first letter should be uppercase. ठीक है. So from slide number 17 or question number 15, make sure you correct it. Apart from that, everything is okay and good to go. I am doing a cross check again, but apart from that, everything is good to go. No worries for that. I mean, for slide 17, just do the uppercase letter for all the words. ठीक है, first letter should be uppercase, because till slide 15 you have done it properly, but from slide 17 it is like first letter is lowercase. That's what I'm saying. And see, in slide number 31 it is okay. So from slide 17 to slide 30, do the correction. That's it. Only just make the first letter as uppercase. That's it. And slide 32, you check it. Slide 32 and 33, check that. Check it, correct it, I mean to say. Then slide 34, wait. then from slide 34 to 41 do the correction. The first letter, wait, the first letter should be uppercase. That's it. Apart from that, everything is okay and good to go. No worries for that, right? Hmm. Okay, we have one query from Charan. Yeah, bro. As I said earlier, okay. So you want to send the question? You can send it. No worries, bhai. बिल्कुल send करो question. We will see like if there is any tough question which need to be discussed. We will discuss it here. ठीक है? And also this Shiva, the last slide, the slide 41. You just write it like this. Thank you for giving me. ठीक है? It should be giving me, right? Apart from that, everything is okay. Okay, Charan sent, bro. I write title like overall summary is okay. Yeah, overall summary is okay and best by best. No need to worry about. Summary is best. To be honest, no need to worry about it. Summary is best, and far I would say far better than the last PPT. Actually, it is far better than the last PPT, bro. Everything is correct. Just change some small things. Apart from that, just go and submit it. It is the best one, to be honest, because you have written the requirement and then took the screenshot as well with the query. That's the best thing, brother. So it's good to go. Good to go. Okay, Charan sent, bro. Let me check. Hmm. I haven't received the question right now. Maybe due to VPN issue or something. Let me check. Let's see. I will get the mail. No worries for that. I will get the mail. No worries. Okay. I write title like overall summary is okay. Overall summary is okay. And okay, we have one more query, bro. He was curious. He was told. He was literally loud even when I said there is some sort of disturbance from you. Can you? Okay. Acha, furious. Okay. Acha. Okay. But anyways, how was your what we say interview? Like, was it good? How was your interview? Like, what kind of questions have you sent? I have not received the mail till yet. Till now, I have not received the mail. But when I receive it, we will discuss it. Like, is it related to technical round or is it related to tech plus what we say plus definition? Definition मतलब कि theory plus practical. Theory plus why I'm writing this like this. So it is like only practical part or it is mixture of theory plus practical. Okay, we have one more. Not even one single question from SQL Python. Okay, can you imagine for DA intern position all question from Power BI? Like how come like in the JD have they written like it is a BI developer role? In the JD have they written this? Malab, just I am being curious to be honest. Like what kind of questions, like related to what, like if you can give any idea in this live chat so that we also can discuss. Acha, JD is like DA intern, okay, good. Tech includes SQL. Oh, अच्छा, SQL Python stats is there, visualization ठीक है. Visualization tools means this BI tools, good to go. That's the thing, good to go. पैरामीटर्स इन पावर बी आई. पैरामीटर्स मतलब क्या रहता है, जैसे कि लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर इन पैरामीटर आई वुड से. जैसे कि द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द स्लाइसर, और यू कैन से द फिल्टर this ranges. Like in slicer it is there na, range is there, drop down is there, tiles are there. That is called, like I would say, slicer or filter ranges changes. That is a parameter. Second parameter, the main important is like loading the data. Data loading जिसको बोलते हैं ना, जैसे if you have checked my SQL plus Power BI का project, in that you have seen what we have done. We have directly loaded the data from SQL database. ठीक है. So it is like data source path and all those things. These are called parameters. मतलब where you, or you can say the users, where the users can change the, I would say, change the, क्या बोलते हैं इसको, change the requirements or the visuals or the inputs. That's it. That's the thing. These are the parameters. मतलब you can say the values, where the user can change the values. That's what parameter is all about. And mostly it is used in Power Query, heavily used in Power Query, to be honest. And let's see, let me check. It is interesting, to be honest, because good questions by parameters in Power BI. मतलब it is like they are taking care of the basics part. They are taking care of the basics theoretical part. ठीक है. And good questions, to be honest. Good question, to be honest. ओके. डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रांसपोज, पाइवट एंड अनपिवट. ये तो एक्सेल का क्वेश्चन हो गया एक तरीके से. मतलब इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ एक्सेल क्वेश्चन प्लस पावर बी आई क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. व्हाट डज एक्सेल, आई मीन टू से, when you write transpose in excel, when you write transpose in excel, what it does, the rows, whatever the rows are there, it changes to column. ठीक है. ट्रांसपोज का मतलब क्या होता है, जो भी रोज रहता है ना, वट एवर रोज आर देयर, इट कन्वर्ट्स टू कॉलम. ठीक है. दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसपोज. ठीक. दैट्स द थिंग. ट्रांसपोज इन एक्सेल, इट इज लाइक दैट. तो वो है. और पाइवट का क्या है, एग्रीगेशन. पाइवट यू कैन से एग्रीगेशन. पाइवट क्या है, दिस आर काइंड ऑफ एग्रीगेशन. ठीक है. दिस आर काइंड ऑफ एग्रीगेशन इन एक्सेल. एंड अनपिवट क्या है, अनपिवट इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ ट्रांसपोज. अनपिवट, और यू कैन से ऑपोजिट ऑफ पिवट. उसमें क्या रहता है, कॉलम्स जो है वो रोज में चेंज हो जाते हैं. दैट्स इट. तो इट इज लाइक, आई थिंक एक्सेल प्लस पावर बी आई का. एंड गुड क्वेश्चन, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अच्छा क्वेश्चंस तो सही है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इट इज लाइक दैट. मतलब अनपाइवट क्या होता है, रिवर्सल ऑफ पाइवट बोल सकते हो. मतलब कॉलम्स को, जो कि पिवट में जो भी कॉलम्स रहते हैं उसको वो रो में कन्वर्ट करता है. इट इज लाइक दैट. Okay, we have one more query. He cannot frame questions properly. He want to ask like what is the option name in Power Query used for joints and append. Joints के लिए merge होता है, merge is for the joints. And if you have, I don't know, you पता नहीं, मेरे को idea नहीं है, if in this project for the members project, I don't know for the free I have used it or not, but for the members project I have used the merge wala topic. For the members I have used merge wala topic. I don't know for the free project I have used it or not. If anyone is aware of this related to the free project, they can just write it in the live chat, matlab chat box. But I remember one thing, for the members we have used the merge wala thing. Merge is same as joins. ठीक है, मर्ज इज सेम एज इट इज, मतलब जो हम लोग जॉइंट्स करते हैं ना वो मर्ज में वही होता है, जॉइंट्स का वही रहता है. ठीक है. आई हैव यूज्ड इन मेंबर्स का प्रोजेक्ट, आई थिंक सो. आई हैव टू चेक एंड सी अगेन, आई हैव टू चेक दैट अगेन, नो वरीज फॉर दैट. आई हैव टू चेक दैट. बट मर्ज जॉइंट्स का ही पार्ट है, मतलब जॉइंट्स को आप पावर बीआई में मर्ज करते हो. और अपेंड का मतलब क्या होता है, एक दूसरे के ऊपर जैसे टेबल्स अगर रखते हो ना, उसे अपेंड बोलते हैं. दैट्स इट. आई होप ये तो बोल दिए होगे. अपेंड और मर्ज तो बेसिक्स है, आप बता दिए होगे यार. मतलब आपको तो नॉलेज है चरण, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि मुझे जितना पता है आपके बारे में, यू आर हैविंग गुड क्वालिटी नॉलेज, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, राइट. मुझे इतना पता है, आप बता दिए होगे. ए हाय आदर्श, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. Hi others, welcome to live stream. Okay, we have one query from Shiva. Overall summary, I explained purpose of what every question in that explanation and theory. It's okay. Yes, that's it. That's what I have seen. You have written the question. You have in the screenshot. You have given the query as well as the output. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. At least in this PPT, you are just showcasing like the things that you have done in the SQL project. That's the best thing. That's the best thing. That's a good thing. Or I would say, like, is there any other way your college have taught you to do it? Matlab, see, each and every PPT have their own structure, to be honest. Each and every PPT have their own structure. ठीक है. So if your college teachers or professors have told you to keep a particular structure of PPT, then bhai, you have to follow that. But if it is like freehand, if freehand given to each and every students of your college, then it's good to go, then it's good to go. But if like if your college professors and all have told you related to any particular structure of a PPT, then you have to follow that. Okay. But anyways, that's a good one, bhai. 5 out of 5, I would say. Better than the previous one, far better. Actually, I'm happy to see this. Like, you have made it clean, and till now no changes had been done. हाँ, but the last line, just write it, क्या था मैं भूल गया. What? Thank you for giving me होगा. ठीक है. You have written give me. Just write giving me the opportunity. That's it. That's it. Only one small grammatical mistake is there, but that can also be ignored, so no worries for that. Because last slide nobody sees the last slide, to be honest. ठीक है. So chill. ओके. भाई एक बार एग्रीगेशन में सम, काउंट, एवरेज, मैक्स, मिन, प्रोडक्ट में डेटा, टेक्स्ट, नंबर, बूलियन, ब्लैंक, नल, डेट, बूलियन, ब्लैंक, नल, डेट क्या इग्नोर होता है या क्या इग्नोर नहीं होता? अगर मैं आपसे बोलूँ टोटल, तो नल होता क्या है? नल इज व्हाट? नल इज नल, मतलब कुछ नहीं होता है इसमें. वी कैन नॉट से इट जीरो, वी कैन नॉट से इट ब्लैंक, ठीक है. बट नल इज नथिंग, वी कैन से इट नथिंग, ठीक है. तो एक एक चीज समझते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है. सम, सम में क्या होगा? ठीक है, 1 + 2 प्लस नल +3, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? 6. सम में क्या होता है? नल को इग्नोर किया जाता है, ठीक है. दैट्स द थिंग. अब आते हैं हम लोग किस पे? काउंट पे ना. काउंट के दो तरीके हैं, ठीक है. दो काउंट है, अगर आपको पता होगा. पहला काउंट, काउंट ऑल द रोज. ऑल द रोज में जब आप ऑल द रोज बोल रहे हो, इस पे अगर एक भी डेटा नल भी रहता है वो भी काउंट हो जाता है, ठीक है. तो नल इज एक्सेप्टेड हियर इन दिस काउंट, ठीक है. काउंट के अंदर अगर स्टार हुआ तो. अब दूसरे काउंट पे चलते हैं. काउंट का अगर आप सपोज कोई पर्टिकुलर कॉलम नेम देते हो, पर्टिकुलर कॉलम, और उस कॉलम में नल आता है, ठीक है, और उस कॉलम में नल आता है, पर्टिकुलर कॉलम आप देते हो तो उस पे नल को इग्नोर किया जाता है, ठीक है. ये डिफरेंस आप समझो. अगर ऑल बोल रहे हो तो नल इग्नोर नहीं होता. अगर पर्टिकुलर कॉलम नेम दिया गया है तो क्या होता है? नल इग्नोर हो जाता है, ठीक है. दैट्स द थिंग. अब देखो, अब क्या था? अब आपने क्या बोला था? आपका चैट किधर गया? एवरेज, एवरेज पूछो. एवरेज में सेम सम की तरह है. देखो एवरेज में क्या होता है? सपोज इस तरीके से है, 5 6 7 8, ठीक है. इसमें क्या होगा? /4, क्योंकि ये एवरेज नल को इग्नोर करता है, ठीक है. एवरेज नल को इग्नोर करता है. तो जितने भी आप एग्रीगेट बोल रहे हो ना, जैसे सम, एवरेज, ये नल को इग्नोर करता है, ठीक है. और क्या दिया आपने? मैक्स और मिन. सेम, मैक्स और मिन जितना एग्रीगेट फंक्शन है वो भी नल को इग्नोर करता है. मैक्स और मिन भी नल को इग्नोर करता है, ठीक है. दैट्स द थिंग. और क्या है? प्रोडक्ट में डेट, टेक्स्ट, नंबर, बुलियन. ये लास्ट वाला लाइन मेरे को समझ नहीं में नहीं आया. मतलब प्रोडक्ट में डेट, टेक्स्ट, नंबर, बुलियन, ये वाला मेरे को एक बार आप समझाओ फिर से अच्छे से. बाकी पहला वाला तो मैं आपको बता दी हूँ, जैसे कि सम, एवरेज, मैक्स, मिन में नल इग्नोर होता है. और काउंट का जो सिनेरियो है, काउंट, इस पे नल इग्नोर नहीं होता है. नल नॉट इग्नोर्ड. लेकिन काउंट विथ पर्टिकुलर कॉलम में क्या होता है? नल इग्नोर हो जाता है, ठीक है. दैट इज द थिंग, ठीक. दैट्स द थिंग. ओके, वी हैव वन क्वेरी. या आई हैव आंसर्ड मर्ज एंड अपेंड, ठीक है. अच्छा अमित, यूनियंस, ठीक है. अपेंड इज लाइक दैट. अपेंड वही रहता है, यूनियन ही होता है. जैसे आप लोग सीक्वल में यूनियन करते हो ना, यूनियन ऑल एंड यूनियन, उसमें क्या होता है? व्हाट हैपेंस इज लाइक टू टेबल्स आर केप्ट वन अबव द अदर, सेम थिंग, ठीक है. मर्ज जॉइंट्स का ही दूसरा नाम है. दैट्स इट. दूसरा नाम मतलब मर्ज को पावर बीआई में यूज होता है. मीन टू से दैट. अच्छा शिवा, फ्री हैंड विद प्रोफेशनली गाइड, टेल मी इट्स ओके, बोथ कॉम्बिनेशन रिक्वायर. अच्छा फ्री हैंड है तो फिर इट इज़ गुड टू गो भाई शिवा. यू कैन सबमिट इट, कोई दिक्कत, देयर इज़ नो इशू इन दैट. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, there is no issue in that. You can submit the project, everything is okay and good to go, and it is far better than the previous one. So I am happy to see that you have improved in this. That's a good thing. Like you have followed the things that I have told you and you have improved it, so that's a good one, bhai. And anything else? Sorry. Anything else? Any more doubt you need to ask? Any more doubts? You can ask your doubts. Anything, any additional doubt you want to ask to? You can just ask your doubts here. So, do we have any doubts right now? Let me check. Let me refresh it. Let me check. Everything is okay. Okay, we have one query from Charan. Bro, I'm doing a funnel analysis project for my resume. I will share some details. Can you check? Is it worth it? Obviously, share it, share it. No worries for that way. फनल एनालिसिस का मतलब इस तरीके से क्या, जैसे अपना यूट्यूब में रहता है राइट, फनल एनालिसिस कि दिस मच इम्प्रेशन, दिस मच सी टी आर, दिस मच वॉच टाइम. In YouTube, they have like this funnel analysis, impression, CTR, watch time. It is like that. Take. Okay, we have one query from Shiva. Simultaneously, I do another project right now on job market analyzing project. On that, one question is states with most number of job. Okay. So in this, what you have to do? You have to use group by states. ठीक है, because you have to find the data in states point of view. ठीक है, wait, what, let me show you here. You have to write from table all the states, right? Group by states, select state, and sum of jobs count. If there is a number, then you have to do this. If just I'm saying like this, ठीक है, I don't know, you have to do joins or something. So it is basically, you have told the correct, it is basically like states with total number of jobs. Okay, means related to the most number of jobs. If you say most number of jobs, we will use the limit, and it is like each and every state will be shown total number of jobs that they have provided for the candidates. That's the thing. In that there is no call. Okay, we have one more query. In that there is no column state, and their location is headquarter, and I think state means total profile of job maybe. And their location is headquarter. So okay, if there is no state column, in place of that I think we have location. You first thing first, you check how many tables are there. First thing first, you explore all the tables, columns in all the tables, then only you move forward. Okay, suppose you are just taking care of table number 1 and table number 2. Suppose in table number 3 we have state and state id, suppose. So here you can join it, and by joining you can just find the count or sum of job, and then find the output. So first explore all the tables, then only go with the next requirement. ठीक है. That's the thing. So anybody have any doubts right now? I hope Shiva you have understood what I have told. Just first explore each and everything. Okay, I mean to say explore each and every table, what columns are there in the table, then only you move forward with the requirement. Okay, then only you move forward with the requirement. ठीक. तो 1 minute, let me just write a okay. Hi Shantu, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. So what we have, hey Shubham, can you teach me where loop and while loop? Where आई थिंक फॉर लूप रहता है, फॉर लूप होगा शायद, मतलब वाइल लूप तो मैं समझा दूंगा, नो वरीज फॉर दैट. वाइल लूप मतलब कंडीशन बेस्ड है, और बाकी फॉर लूप का है शायद. यू आर आस्किंग फॉर लूप, आई थिंक रिलेटेड टू दैट, राइट. फॉर लूप पूछ रहे हो क्या आप? वेर लूप, कुछ वेर लूप के बारे में, इज इट फॉर लूप होगा क्या शायद. ओके, वी हैव वन. आई हैव द बेसिक नॉलेज बट स्टिल इन कंफ्यूजन. सॉरी दैट आई एम आस्किंग रिलेटेड टू पाइथन, बट वाई टू से सॉरी, लाइक no worries for that. Let's understand the things step by step. Okay, let's open Python. Let's see. इसमें नहीं है. So first thing first, sorry that I'm asking related to Python. अब Python से ही है, no worries no worries. Sorry my bad. For loops, हाँ वही मैं सोचा where loop कुछ होता है क्या, मे बी मुझे पता नहीं होगा where loop, but that only I thought कि is there any new loop something or what, like okay. For loop, first thing first let us understand what is loop. ठीक है, loop क्या होता है. जैसे you have worked in corporate right, कॉर्पोरेट में व्हाट दे से कि कीप मी इन द लूप. ठीक है, सपोज यू आर इन अ मीटिंग विद अ स्टेक होल्डर्स एंड ईच एंड एवरी डे न्यू थिंग्स आर getting added or new things are getting collaborated each and every day. So you might be aware of this thing, like in mail they write, mostly in mail they write it कि keep me in the loop. ठीक है, so what is the meaning of it related to corporate field? Keep me in the loop means keep me in the track. Whatever update you are getting, just keep me in the track. ठीक है, keep me in the track, that it, I mean to say any work is done, inform them. ठीक है, this is in corporate point of view, corporate POV. Same thing happens in Python. ठीक है, same thing happens in Python. In Python is like whatever work you are doing, whatever condition you are given, just repeat this. ठीक है, repeat this मतलब whatever condition is going, just repeatedly do the operation part. In corporate what it is all about, just repeatedly update me. ठीक है, corporate में क्या रहता है, that say you to keep me in the loop means just keep a repeat update. In Python what happens, whatever operations happens, it's like just repeat the operation. ठीक है, that's the only thing in loop. I hope you can understand it properly, like everyone can understand it, because once you go to corporate field this thing will be very much common. ठीक है, in the mail you will see this thing mostly from the higher level management. You will see this thing keep me in the loop and all those stuffs, but still we forget to do this. I forgot a lot of time, but okay, let's keep the joke apart. So what I have told, it's like wait, it's like repeated operations to be updated on a daily basis, or you can say repeated operations to be done on a daily basis and these things to be analyzed. That is what loop means. For loop. ठीक, for loop contains two kind of thing. ठीक है, first is a specific range, means suppose you have written a b c, this is a specific range. ठीक है, repeated work, how many times Python have to go to this data, 3 times. ठीक है, second part is like this, range 5, Python will do this 5 times. So it is what, 5 repeated times operations should be carried out. Here 3 repeated times operation should be carried out. ठीक है, this is loop. It doesn't matter if there is a, if there is 1, if there is 2, if there is 0, if there is b, same operation will be carried out for everyone. Like in corporate what it is, those who are in the, suppose those who are in the project, each and everyone should know the same thing. ठीक है, Python it is the same, whoever is there in the data, each and everyone will have to follow the same operation no matter what. ठीक है, this is the thing. Suppose we write where is the suppose we write कि for what we say, for numbers in, suppose I write range 4. ठीक है, then I will write print numbers. ठीक है, so what it will do, it will add all the numbers from 0 to 4. Actually the thing is, let me add this thing. In range if you write any number, always, you know, the indexing part in Python, indexing always start from 0 1 2 3 0, from 0 I mean to say. So whatever number will be there, that many times the operation will be followed. Okay, that many times the operation will be followed. People will say ki why 4 is not added. Obviously people will say, here it is told range 4, why 4 is not added. But main thing is, people don't understand कि in loop it is about repetition. It is about repetition. ठीक है, it is no, not okay. We have one question. Bro mailed you about the funnel analysis too. Alright, chalo, thank you, bhai, thank you. Okay, Shantu, yes, I am aware is like n minus 1. Yeah, I know. You told you know the basics. I'm just telling you what it is all about, because when I was learning, I thought ki what it will do, it will go like 1 2 3 4. But what is the main reason behind it? Let me tell you. When we write range 4, it is repeated operations we are saying. It is not like we are not saying to Python ki bhai 4 tak give us the data. It is not this. It is like repeated operations. Because when I was learning Python, I used to think ki when this range 4 is given, so Python will give till like this 1 2 3 4. At that time I do not know that it is the time of repetition we are saying to Python. Okay, same in theoretical part, it is n minus 1. But in the, what we say, in the layman's point of view, or in the understanding point of view, it is number of times. It is not the value 4, it is number of times. Number of times 4 matlab 0 1 2 3 4 times. ठीक है, this is the main thing. So it is like this for loop. ठीक है, and also there is one more thing what I have told you in the for loop is like this, related to the specific number of values. ठीक है, suppose we write like this, live stream members. ठीक है, and I write Shantu, then who is there, Charan, then who is there, शिवा ही है ना अभी, हाँ अभी के लिए तो शिवा, चरण और शांतु इज देयर. ठीक है, so what I will say here, see what I will say to print all the data here, print all the members in the live stream. I will say Python for names in live stream, members. ठीक है, print names. ठीक, in this what will happen, ठीक है, in this what will happen, in this it will go to this data, and it will see how many people are there in the live stream, and it will print the name. So it will print like that. Here we don't have numbers. ठीक है, here we don't have numbers, that's why, and also we don't have a range. So it is not like only Shantu and Charan will get printed, not this. It is like all the data inside this, just print it out. ठीक, so I hope you got it till here related to the for loop. Like, should we move to while loop, or should I make sure you, like, you want to understand anything else related to this? You want to understand anything else? Okay, we have one more query for I in range 0 11 and 2. Okay, so it is like what it is all about. When you write this range 0 11 and 2, what are these three things? Let us tell. It is like start, it is like stop, till मतलब 11 will not get included, to be honest. ठीक है, 11 will not get included, and this 2 is like jump, what we say, मतलब skip. It is like skip or jump. So what it is all about, let me tell you this. Like range 0 11 2, it is like start from 0 and till 11. ठीक है, but this will not get included, this will not get included. And 2 means it's jump 2 numbers from in between. So it is like 0. ठीक है, it is like jump 2 मतलब 1 2. This will get printed, this will get printed. Why? We have jumped twice, 1 2 jump. ठीक है, from 2 it will do the same thing because it is like range. ठीक है, range is what? In a loop, so repeated loop. So from 2 it will jump twice. ठीक है, let's see what number it will get. 3 and 4. So we will get 4 printed here. ठीक है, right now what will happen, it will jump twice from here. 1 2 5 6. ठीक, this will get printed. Then it will like jump twice. 1 2 7 8. What will get printed? This will get printed. ठीक है, right now here we have to do this thing. Let me show you here. 8 from here 2 jump. ठीक है, 9 10. ठीक है, 2 jump 10 will get printed. ठीक है, then from here also SQL Python will do 2 jumps. ठीक है, 1 2 11 12. But see what will happen here. What we have given the condition 0 11 2. Python will say start from 0 done, jump to done. But here what's the condition? Till 11. But this will not get included because after jumping twice it will get 12. But Python will verify is 12 and is the number given here matching. Python will say no, it's not matching. ठीक है, it's not matching, then it won't show you the output. ठीक है, let me show you one thing, let me show you one more thing. I am just copying it here and I am just pasting it. Let us understand one more thing here, a tricky part. I am just pasting it here, this thing I have just copied from this. प्रिंट आई. ठीक है, राइट नाउ वी नो कि 2 जंप में दिस इज कमिंग. लेट अस सी व्हेन आई से कि प्रिंट आई मतलब प्रिंट द नंबर फ्रॉम रेंज 0 to 12 with a jump of 2. Let's see what it is coming. You understood it right now what it is all about. Earlier, like Shantu, you see, let me just copy it and paste because I know here confusion will come because I have, when I was also studying, I have also received this confusion. ठीक है, I was earlier confused कि भाई in this thing earlier we have written 11. ठीक है, in this earlier what we have written 11 and I was confused when I was learning at that time. I was confused कि चलो 11 तो वैसे भी नहीं आता. If we print 11 here, anyhow 11 won't be coming because in 2 jumps it will show us 12. So I was confused कि भाई is it like कि जो number लिखा रहता है, whatever number written in the between, will it actually not show in the output or it is not showing in the output because of the 2 jumps. Then what I have done, I have done the different way, I have done this in a different way. I have told कि अच्छा चलो जब टू जम्प्स में 12 आ रहा है, ठीक है, when we know in two jumps it will get 12. So let's check the theoretical part. I mean, in a theory, in a practical part, let's write 12 and let's see, because in two jumps I know it will come to 12. So let's see, did Python show us the number 12, or just Python go with the logic कि the number written in the between will not be shown, and here we get the output. So what's the logic behind it? Whatever number it has given here, whatever number given in the between, doesn't matter, like if Python do the loop and get to that number, same number, this won't be shown in the output. ठीक है, won't be shown in the output. Why? Because the rules say whatever number is there in the between, like stop, actually this is the stop number. ठीक है, doesn't matter if this number is matching, doesn't matter if the number is not matching, it will not show in the output. I hope Shantu you got clear about it, because I know here you will get confused, because I was also confused. You will get confused कि चलो skip, मतलब अगर दो बार jump होता है या दो बार step या jump जिसको बोलते हैं, उसमें तो 12 रहता है, we will get 12, but anyhow 12 will not be in the output because 11 is the stop. So to clear your doubts, what I have did, I have written 12 here, and I have just want to show you whatever number is there in the between. This is the stop number. ठीक है? You won't get this number in the output. Doesn't matter if the Python stops the loop on the same particular number or not. ठीक है? I hope you got it, because these are the basic things, and I have also got confused, due to which till date I am not using loops. I am using loops, but not, because see, if the work is done by libraries I'm good to go, but I just avoid loops, to be honest. But it is not like I am saying you all to avoid the loops. Please, if you are good with the loops, go and use it. It is very much helpful. But for me, loops are like, I am good at like explaining the theoretical part, but you know what, using the same thing in project is like bit tough for me. That's why I just avoid it. But anyways, that's the thing. Okay, oh, now it's clear. Yes, I was getting confused with this. I hope now you are clear, like related to this top part. If it is top, this won't show anyhow, this number won't be showing. That's it. Okay, that's the thing. If it is stops at 12, then also it won't show. If it stops at 11, then also it won't show. Okay, yeah, it's clear. So do we use loops frequently in DA? See, you can use this using lambda, and if you are good with loops, depends on the requirement, bhai. Well, let me tell you one thing, depends on the requirement. If the requirement is related to this, suppose we say in the columns, we say in the column, whenever there is null, just stop there and find how many rows you have attended in the data frame. ठीक है, so for that loop is used, for loop is used in that scenario, because it is, everything is related to the requirement, bhai. If you ask me like do we use it, yes we use it, but everything is into requirement, bhai, to be honest. If requirement is there, you have to use it. If not, then okay, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. So I hope you got it related to the for loop. So should we move to while? If you write yes, we should move to while loop. Okay, yeah, sure. चलो, while loop क्या है? It is all about condition. while क्या है? Okay, yeah, sure, I was taking the notes. Anyhow, this live stream will be recorded, so no need to worry about. Uh, the main thing is like, let me tell you one thing. The main thing is just focus on the theoretical part right now, then take the notes. The thing is like, if you take the notes when I am talking at that time, you will not be focused here. That's what I'm saying. But anyways, if you are comfortable with it, you can take the notes, no worries. This things will be recorded and will be there in my YouTube channel, and if you want I can share the link, a video link to you through the mail, so no worries for that. So should we move to while loop right now? Let's move. So while is what, while is all about condition, right? It is all about condition. You are telling Python कि like while, suppose I say while time is uh, let me say this thing, while time is greater than or equal to suppose 11 o'clock, then close the live stream. Just example I am saying, it is like that. Okay, so this is the condition, and let's see how do we write the same thing here. Let's see, I will write time is equal to uh, what we say, time, starting time. What so in this what we have to say, we have to say Python कि भाई starting time of the live stream is suppose 7 o'clock, example I am saying. I will say to Python while time less than, not less than, I will say suppose टाइम आई वुड से कितना होगा, आई वुड से टाइम 7 लेस देन इक्वल टू 10 o'clock और लेस देन इक्वल टू 11, ठीक है, लेस देन इक्वल टू 11 प्रिंट प्रिंट टाइम फॉर what I should say, let me see if it is possible. Let's see if it is possible to show. नहीं हो रहा. It is never ending loop हो गया क्या? I know it will be never ending loop. Time. We can do this. नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा, I think so. Wait, let me. अब ठीक है. So it is like see what I have told. Suppose कि Python को मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, I tell Python कि suppose take the start of the live stream from 7 o'clock, ठीक है, 7 PM, and I say to Python while the time is till 11, ठीक है, लेस देन इक्वल टू मतलब 11 से कम, मतलब 11 बजे से पहले, या तो इक्वल टू अगर 11 o'clock होता है टिल 11, ठीक है, यू राइट प्रिंट लाइव स्ट्रीम एंड टाइम एंड टेल द टाइम, ठीक है, लाइक दैट PM इफ यू राइट, ठीक, लाइक दैट, लेट मी सी this much, and I will give a condition for the while loop. In the condition I have told every hour you just add 1 hour, every time you add 1 hour and write कि live stream will be till 11 PM, like that, ठीक है. It is like depend on the condition. See what condition we have told. We have told to Python कि भाई देखो this is the starting time, and earlier what happened, let me tell you that earlier what happened, it has just continued till the मतलब बोलते हैं ना infinite loop हो जा रहा है, because we have not told कि जब we have not closed this condition, that's why the thing is we have not closed this condition, we have to close this condition somewhere. ठीक है, we have given one opening condition and we have to give a closing condition कि time equal to time plus 1, मतलब जब तक टाइम इक्वल टू 11 नहीं हो जाता है तब तक आप प्रिंट करते रहो. और इन दिस अर्लियर व्हाट वी हैव डन, अर्लियर वी हैव नॉट told when time is equal, मतलब when we have not given the closing part, that's why it has created a infinite loop. Right now we have given a closing part here and we have told python, ठीक है, in this कि just say कि जब तक टाइम 11 हो जाता है just stop here, that's it. ठीक है, it is like that. So what is the order of execution also, let me tell. There is a order of execution here. It is like what python will do, python will take this data, ठीक है, python will take कि चलो 7 PM है, it will go to this condition, it will go and see कि is 7 and 11 matching. Let me write it here. It is like it will say it is the first order of execution, because loop is what, it is like it will continue for a repeated amount of time. First order of execution it will go, python will go and see कि चलो 7 से start हो रहा है. In second order of execution it will see is 7 and this matching, yes obviously condition is matching, it's like 7 is less than 11, so it will do one thing, print live stream 7 PM, and this is anchor print. In anchor print we have to whatever what is the benefit of anchor print is like whatever condition you give na, sorry suppose we are giving this condition, ठीक है, if you know Shantu about this, whenever you are giving any condition in print section you have to write this f, this is anchor. What anchor it is doing, it is just anchoring the time and it is just printing the value, that's it. That's why what I have written here. So what happens in, we will get back to this. What happens in order of execution, it will go here, it will see time equal to 7, then it will go to the second order of execution and it will see is 7 is meeting this condition, yes it is meeting. Then it will go to third order of execution and it will write print live stream 7 PM. Then it will go to fourth order of execution and it will write in the data time equal to 7 plus 1, time equal to 8. So here there is a connection, let me tell you here there is a connection. What connection it is all about? The connection is this thing and this thing are connected, ठीक है, this is actually the loop that we are talking about, ठीक है, these two things are connected, ठीक, these two things are connected. This is first order of execution, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth, and fourth is then connected to 1. Right now what will happen, this is the first loop that is connected, first operation that is completed. Second operation what will happen, this time is updated here. Right now it will be like let me tell, it will be like time equal to 8 and it will check like this, ठीक है, it is like that, it will go, it will continue till the loop is like कि time equal to 11, ठीक है. When it will go like this, time equal to 11 and 11 is equal to 11, everything is okay. What will happen when in the last fourth and 1 order of execution, when it will be 11 plus 1, it will be then time equal to 12, it will first order of execution executed, then you have written time is less than equal to 11, it will check this, it will see is 12 less than equal to 11, it will say no, then stop here. That's it. It is like that. It is all about order of execution. ठीक है? And how this order of execution have started: first, second, third, fourth, then fourth thing is carried forward to the first. And this is what loop means. This is what loop is all about. While loop. ठीक है? This is the loop that is happening, and this will happen till each and every condition get satisfied. ठीक है? This is the loop, what it is all about. I hope you got it. I hope everyone got it. Okay, Charan. Okay, we have one more query. So why curly brackets and why f? Actually what happens, this is like I've told you, this is anchor. We say it anchor. मैं नाम भूल गया, sorry for that. Whenever you give anything here, whenever you give any variable to be added in the print, you have to write that in curly bracket. Suppose I want to add the time, ठीक है, want to add the present time, so in that I have to add curly bracket and a f. And you know, for print this is the quotation mark. This is what we say anchor बोलते हैं शायद, इसको मैं भूल रहा हूँ, I'm just forgetting the name. I think we say it anchor, because whenever you print something and you need to handle some data, the variable data inside the print, you cannot just write like this. Let me show you here. You cannot just write like this, it will show you error. ठीक है? It will show you error. What will happen when you write normal print? ठीक है? When you write normal print, SQL Python will think कि this is the thing which I have to print, right? Charan बोल रहा हूँ, sorry. We have one query from Charan. Bro, have you tried DuckDB MySQL in Python? DuckDB मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया. DuckDB SQL लाइट शायद रहता है उसमें. DuckDB मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया. अच्छा, F is used to support that curly bracket thing. Okay, good. That is also great point. So Shantu, let's see. If you write like this, ठीक है? If you want the time here and if you write like this, what will happen? Python will think कि this is the line that I have to print. But for the user point of view, user want कि this time should be there. This time should be there, not the time that I have written. So to make sure the time gets printed here, actual time data should printed here, we have this anchor element. अब मैं नाम भूल रहा हूँ, I will get back to you on this. We have to use anchor element. We have to say Python कि Python we are using this time, not this time. ठीक है? So for that Python we have to say कि anchor करो. F is what for anchoring. Anchor this variable in this print section. So there is a way for it. F is for anchoring, and then the thing that you want to anchor in the print section you have to write in curly bracket. So Python will understand कि चलो we have to anchor a variable, we have to anchor a data. So what data we have to anchor? For that you have to tell Python कि whatever thing is inside this curly bracket, just paste it and give us in the output. So it is like that. I hope you got it, Shantu, related to the curly bracket and related to this F. F is saying Python कि हमें anchor करके दिखाओ, like anchor all the data, whatever data I am giving you in the print section. So you have to also tell Python कि this data I need. ठीक है? How you will tell to the Python? You will tell कि भाई anything which is inside the curly bracket, just search in this command and print it. That's it is all about. And if you don't use the F मतलब anchoring part in the curly bracket, Python will think we have to print this full thing and it will print out in the output. That you can see it here, but actually we need this. ठीक है? I hope you got it related to the anchor part and all, why we use this and this thing. It is like way of conversion. बोलते हैं ना Python is a programming language. We say ना language. This is the language we are talking about, because Python cannot understand the English that we are saying. Python cannot understand any other language. For Python, we have a different language that is like, this is the language that Python understand. We have to say Python ki anchor a variable. What variable you have to anchor? Whatever is there in the curly bracket. That's it. That is why we say programming language. That's the thing. This is how we understand it. So hi, you can do this what I'm doing. Yeah, that's it. That's what it is all about. I hope you got it. Related to the, like, if you use the anchoring part and if you don't use the anchor part, ठीक है. एंकर बोलते हैं, कुछ बोलते हैं. आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट द नेम एक्चुअली, सीरियसली आई फॉरगॉट द नेम. And that is why I'm saying ki always we need to practice this programming language things, otherwise we will forget. Doesn't matter someone is having whatever year of work ex, just I would say practice every day, otherwise these things you will forget, and when you forget these things it is really a issue in near future. No doubt you know how to use it, no doubt you know how to use it, but still half knowledge is really harmful, to be honest. So that's why I practice every day, and I have, like, far away from the practice sessions, due to which I'm just forgetting all those things. So that's the uh, so that's it is all about. So, yeah, anything else? Shiva, I sent query list and screenshot of syntax. Let me check. I haven't received, like, Charan, आपका भी मेरा मेल आया नहीं है, and Shiva, your mail also I haven't received. So I don't know why there is a lag in this, but anyways. Acha, Vishwajit, hi Vishwajit, welcome to live stream. F means फॉर्मेट, और इसके अंदर जो भी टेक्स्ट आएगा वो प्रिंट होगा, इसीलिए करली ब्रैकेट्स. हाँ, राइट राइट, वो सही है, करेक्ट. और वो जो करली ब्रैकेट्स, इसके अंदर वेरिएबल की वैल्यू आएगी, राइट. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? फॉर्मेट बोलते हैं ना. एफ मीन्स फॉर्मेट है, ठीक है. मैं एंकर बोलता हूँ, मैं ओह, फॉर्मेट, राइट. ठीक है, आई होप यू गॉट इट, like what it is all about and what is the loop going on. This is actually the loop that we have to follow. This is actually the loop. The order of execution is the loop. ठीक है. ठीक है, order of execution is the loop. Wherever the order of execution is not matching, just stop. That's it. That's the thing, nothing else. Yeah, hi Shubham, welcome to live stream. I have a doubt about projects. Does an end-to-end SQL and Power BI project need a long time to build in order to be considered strong? Related to this time frame, it is all about, I would say, depend on practice. ठीक है. If you practice for a long period of time, it will be easy for you to understand the project and also build the project from your own. ठीक है. So it is all about this. ठीक. And if you asking for my end to end project, the meaning is different. फॉर माई प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू आर आस्किंग लाइक एंड टू एंड जो मेरे यूट्यूब प्रोफाइल में, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट दिस, मतलब रॉ फाइल हैंडलिंग टिल द एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट. एग्जीक्यूशन मतलब रिक्वायरमेंट एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट, रिक्वायरमेंट execution. For my project it is the meaning of end to end, मतलब कि the starting file, the starting raw file that you will receive, you will clean the raw file, you will do some data modification and manipulation. You then, after doing modification and manipulation, you find the requirement and then you submit the project. So it's like that. ठीक है. Okay. Okay, Shiva, check once I have sent again. Let me check. नो ब्रो, नॉट इन. मेरे को इवन दो चरण का भी मतलब मेल नहीं है एक्चुअली. चरण है सेंड सम मेल रिलेटेड टू सम क्वेश्चंस एंड ऑल्सो इज वन प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज कैरिंग, मतलब ही इज डूइंग राइट नाउ. ओके, वी हैव वन क्वेरी. सर आपने कभी सीक्वल के थ्रू चार्ट बनाया, लाइक बार चार्ट? सीक्वल के थ्रू, सीक्वल में आई डोंट थिंक चार्ट वगैरह बनता है, ऐसा तो नहीं बनता सीक्वल. हाँ, सीक्वल से पावर बीआई में शिफ्ट करके फिर चार्ट और विजुअल्स बनाए हूँ. ठीक है, आई हैव डन दैट. मतलब सीक्वल से पावर बीआई डेटाबेस में कनेक्ट करके फिर उस डेटा से चार्ट विजुअल बनाए. सीक्वल से डायरेक्टली आई एम नॉट डन. मतलब सीक्वल में क्वेरी लिख के चार्ट बनाना, नेवर डिड दैट. मतलब अभी कुछ आया क्या नया? आई डोंट थिंक सो होता था. मतलब जब तक मैं काम कर रहा हूँ अभी तक तो कुछ मेरे पास अपडेट आया नहीं है कि मतलब कि होता है करके. इज इट पॉसिबल टू क्रिएट चार्ट यूजिंग सीक्वल? इज इट ओनली इन, मतलब सीक्वल इन्वायरमेंट में लिख के, मतलब इन योर सीक्वल आर डी बी एम एस में डायरेक्टली बाय राइटिंग द क्वेरी यू कैन मेक चार्ट्स? इज इट पॉसिबल क्या? मतलब आई डोंट नो अबाउट इट, नेवर मेड इट टू बी ऑनेस्ट. हाँ, लेकिन सीक्वल से पावर बी आई में शिफ्ट करके डेटाबेस एक्सपोर्ट करके वी हैव डन इट, लाइक इन द प्रोजेक्ट ओनली वी हैव डन इट. शांतु, यस इट वॉज वेरी हेल्पफुल. या थैंक यू भाई. और कुछ, और किसी को कुछ डाउट्स वगैरह? Okay, we have one more question. No means if I create a project in less time or build it quickly, will it be still considered a good project, or do I need to spend significant time in making the project? No, no, it is not like that. If you make the project in 2 days, then also it is considered a project. If you make the project in 1 week, then also it is considered as a project. As a project matlab this 2 days project will also be considered as end to end project. Same, this 1 week project will be also considered the same end to end project. End to end is what describe the things, that whatever things are there in the project, it is about it. Okay, whatever things is there in the project, this is the description to it, end to end. Okay, it is not about the time. It is not about the time. Let me tell you, the project you are doing for your CV resume, ठीक है, it is not about it. You can easily make a 2 days or 3 days project, depend on your understanding, and write end to end project. No worries for that. It is nothing related to the time taken to make the project. No worries for it. तो दैट्स द थिंग. और अच्छा, ये सीक्वल में कुछ विजुअलाइजेशन होता है क्या? लाइक एनीबडी, लाइक एनी अपडेट्स, कुछ अपडेट है क्या? बिकॉज आई नेवर न्यू अबाउट इट. I've never done in my SQL RDBMS to be honest. ओके वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी. मैं एक वीडियो देखा हूँ जहाँ गूगल क्लाउड सीक्वल था. अच्छा गूगल क्लाउड सीक्वल. ओके ओके. वहाँ पे वो बिग क्वेरी यूज़ कर भाई वो. हाँ वो बिग क्वेरी यूज़ करके वो उनका यूज़र इंटरफेस में है. समझ गया आप क्या बोल रहे हो. समझ गया. वो उनका यूज़र इंटरफेस में रहता है. मतलब सपोज जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ देखो यहाँ पे मेरे पास डेटा है. ठीक है. सपोज मेरे पास डेटा है. मैं दिखा रहा हूँ यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिखा रहा हूँ आपको. स्प्रेडशीट. ठीक है. ठीक. 30 40. ठीक है. ठीक है. दिस इज द थिंग. वो एक्चुअली यूज़र इंटरफेस है. लेट मी शो यू दैट. अब इसको अगर मैं सिलेक्ट करके यहाँ पे एक था टेक्स्ट टू डायग्राम. नहीं ये नहीं. यहाँ पे कुछ एक था मैं अगर बोलूँ तो. यहाँ शोकेस नहीं कर रहा है. डोंट नो व्हाई. यहाँ पे एक जगह था शायद. अब वहाँ पे क्या रहता है बता रहा हूँ. सुनो वहाँ पे क्या रहता है कि जो आपका एनालिसिस है जैसे ये आपने एनालिसिस किया है. उनका जो यूज़र इंटरफेस रहता है. उनका जो यूज़र इंटरफेस रहता है वो बोलता है कि इस टेबल को मैं क्या ग्राफ में बना दूं क्या. इट इज़ लाइक दैट. ठीक है. वही रहता है उसमें क्वेरी अलग से कुछ लिखना नहीं पड़ता. वो उसका यूज़र इंटरफेस रहता है. उसे बिग क्वेरी यूज़ होता है वहाँ पे टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अब समझ में. आप गूगल क्लाउड के बारे में बोल रहे हो. यहाँ पे भी होता है. लेट्स चेक दिस थिंग. यहाँ पे भी हो रहा था. मैं भूल गया इसके बारे में. लेट मी शो यू. नहीं ये नहीं है. इसका एक तरीका था करने का. मैं यहाँ पे जस्ट मिनट. ये क्या है. लिंक. देयर वाज अ वे वेयर वी कैन डू इट. बट आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट. मैं एक बार चेक किया था तो इसमें वही डेटा लेके वो ग्राफ बना देता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट. बट इसमें कहाँ से होगा पता नहीं भाई. इसमें भी हो रहा था. अब इसमें क्यों नहीं हो रहा है दैट आई डोंट नो. बट एनीवेज. Okay, does end to end means you don't stop, like one query from Shubham. Does end to end means you don't stop at analysis, you go all the way to insights and preparation. Like if you go for my project, it is like that. Uh, if you see end to end ka matlab, there are lots of meaning about it. To be honest, if you go in my project end to end means starting from raw file cleaning and give the requirement with the presentation and all those stuffs. This is my meaning of end to end. And end to end is having different meanings to be honest. For you the end to end would be like just take the data and give the output. ठीक है, सो इट इज हैविंग डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स. इट डजेंट मैटर कि आप एंड टू एंड लिखते हो. यू कैन राइट एंड टू एंड kind of keywords in your CV and resume with the project, so no worries for that, bhai. See, and related to thing that you have told, like you don't stop at analysis, go all the way to insights and presentation. See, if you are using any hybrid project like we have used in this SQL and Power BI, it is same like that. We have not stopped till the requirement. We have went to the execution part in the requirement part, means in SQL I mean to say. Then we have went for the visual part in Power BI. So it is like that. And even though if you check out my this SQL project, this is also an end-to-end project. So it's not like ki, uh, you are just stopping at the requirement part. You are not moving to the visual part. It is not like that. If you stop till the requirement part, this also comes in end-to-end section. If you find out the requirement part through SQL and then move to Power BI to find out the visualization part, that is also comes into end-to-end. You can check out the difference in two videos link that I have given. ओके, वी हैव वन क्वेरी. मतलब सर जो सीक्वल का प्रोजेक्ट है उसमें कोई भी चार्ट नहीं आएगा, प्योर सीक्वल का प्रोजेक्ट रहेगा एंड टू एंड. फिर भी जैसे सीक्वल एक्सेल पाइथन बीआई में जैसे हाँ एक्सेल में बन जाएगा विजुअलाइजेशन, द चार्ट्स रहता है. पाइथन में हो जाएगा मैटप्लॉटलिब सीबॉन. पीबीआई पावर बीआई तो है ही उसके लिए, चार्ट्स के लिए भी बनाते हैं लास्ट में प्रोजेक्ट वैसा, राइट. वही मैं बोला, एंड टू एंड का हर एक डिफरेंट मीनिंग है. अगर आप मेरा सीक्वल वाला प्रोजेक्ट देखोगे उस पे एंड टू एंड क्या है, रॉ डेटा, क्लीनिंग, रिक्वायरमेंट, सबमिशन. ठीक है, ये सीक्वल प्रोजेक्ट के लिए होगा. अगर आप पाइथन मतलब सॉरी पावर बीआई प्लस सीक्वल प्रोजेक्ट में जाओ, उसमें क्या है, सीक्वल, रॉ डेटा, क्लीनिंग, रिक्वायरमेंट, पावर बीआई. पावर बीआई में फिर रिक्वायरमेंट निकालो, फिर विजुअलाइजेशन एंड डन. तो ये भी एंड टू एंड हो गया. अब सपोज आपका क्लाइंट क्या बोलता है, आपको रॉ डेटा देता है और आपको बोलता है इतना रिक्वायरमेंट निकालो, तो वो क्लाइंट के लिए इतना ही पार्ट हो जाता है एंड टू एंड वाला प्रोजेक्ट, रियल लाइफ प्रोजेक्ट. ठीक है, अगर आपको कोई ऐसा क्लाइंट मिलता है जो आपको बोलता है कि भाई सीक्वल में पहले क्लीन करो, रिक्वायरमेंट निकालो, सबमिट करो, फिर पावर बीआई में सेम डेटा लो, फिर उसको रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए यूज़ करो, फिर विजुअलाइजेशन करो, तो इस पार्ट को जो क्लाइंट आपको दिया, ये वाला पार्ट, ये पार्ट भी एक तरीके से क्लाइंट के लिए एंड टू एंड हुआ ना. मतलब कि क्लाइंट के लिए यहाँ एंड पॉइंट क्या है, पावर बीआई का विजुअलाइजेशन. पहला प्रोजेक्ट में क्या था, एंड पॉइंट सीक्वल में ही टिल फाइंडिंग आउट द फाइनल रिक्वायरमेंट. तो हर चीज़ के लिए एंड टू एंड इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको पूरा सब कुछ निकालना, लाइक सीक्वल, पाइथन, पावर बीआई, क्लाउड फंक्शन सारा यूज़ करके ही एंड टू एंड होता है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. डिपेंड ऑन द प्रोजेक्ट, डिपेंड ऑन द रिक्वायरमेंट. इसलिए मैंने कहा कि एंड टू एंड हर चीज़ के लिए इट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंकिंग एंड अ डिफरेंट सिनेरियो. ठीक है, इट इज़ लाइक दैट. या वी हैव वन क्वेरी. हाय, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. Welcome to live stream. Hello sir, can you please share the SQL question Google? Yeah, sure, why not. This is the video. Actually, this is the video link. In this video link, you will go to the description box. In the description box, you will get the Google Drive link. ठीक है? And then from there you will get all those datas and all. ठीक? That's the thing. So this is the assignment video. For the I think for the assignment link you are asking about. You are asking about the assignment link, I mean to say. So directly go to the video, then go to the description box. In the description box you will get the Google Drive link, and that's it. चलो ठीक है, अभी इट्स लाइक 11:08. and in my Python query it's like till 11. So let me just close the live stream here, and let's meet tomorrow again in the new live stream. So thank you everyone for joining the live stream and asking me doubts. So let's meet tomorrow in a new live stream, and good night. Good night everyone. Bye bye. ठीक है. Thanks sir GPT 8. What? Okay. Charan Gaming, bye bro. Yeah, bye Charan. I will check out your mail भाई. ठीक है Charan, I will check your mail. Right now I have not received your mail. I don't know why, because of the VPN issue and all. ठीक है. And okay, we have one more query. Got it sir. चलो, thank you भाई, thank you, and thank you for joining the stream. So bye bye everyone and good night. So let's meet tomorrow in a new live stream. So I'm closing the live stream here, and bye.